this wisdom that I'm talking about, that we can get from nature and bees, is life-changing wisdom. I wish I had this knowledge 20, 30 years ago. If I did, I would be on the top of the world by this time. And it took me decades to gather this knowledge by researching the bees and the nature. I'm talking slower than usual because of the transformation process that I'm going through now, because I'm not eating food. I'm trying to move towards life without food and water. So I'm going through this transformation, and I'm talking a little bit slower. And only one thing I want to talk about today is the family. Family, clan, based on what I saw in the bee colonies. The bee colony is the smartest organism. It's just unbelievable organism that functions perfectly without people. It can live in the nature. It can survive. This organism that includes thousands of the bees living together, thousands of these family members. They work together. They understand each other. They share the information between each other. They interact with each other. They work together. It's just unbelievable. They fight together against the enemies, against the predators that try to eat them, try to attack the hives, and they are always successful. Can you imagine if the bee decides that it has own opinion about the world? So she decides that other family members have absolutely different opinion about something, and she is like, no, I'm not with you anymore because you think different than me. I'm gonna leave you and go and live myself. And she goes, and she's gonna die with a couple days without the colony. So it gives us a very good example. When we people separate from each other, we become absolutely vulnerable. When we separate from our families, we separate from each other because we have different opinion, we have different religion, or different race, doesn't matter. There are many reasons why we separate. And if we separate, it's the biggest disaster. We become vulnerable.